Hello. So you didn't see a shirt that you wanted? Whoa, look at this one. That's a beautiful snake there. I like this green monitor here. No, not this one. Isn't that beautiful?
I don't know.
Yeah, I like this one. All right, if you don't... That one's the one that's talking. Hello.
Hello.
I mean, those shirts are on sale. You don't see another one that you like?
They just get one I want.
If there's one that you like, don't get one for no reason, but if you like it. This snake is beautiful. Look at that.
Scary.
Yeah. All right, pick a shirt. Yes. If you see one that you like.
This one, but I want like a shirt.
Use one of these.
No, I don't like that design. I like that design. Okay.
Look at these. Those are pretty.
What happened to the two-headed turtle?
Ask them. I don't know. These are the same. That's a small. What size is that? This is a medium. Yeah, this should. Try it on. Put it because it should fit over your shirt, right?
Yeah.
You can't tell just by holding it up in front of you. You got to try it on and see if it fits you. That's so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Monitors they need very hot